I mean, my hope is always the same, winning a championship. That's my goal every year, and that's the same goal this year. My personal goal is the same, championship. Help my team as much as possible, do the best for the team, and that's my goal. I mean, there's always pressure. I think I play with pressure, but that's something just inspires me. But like I say, I will try to help my team as much as possible, and hoping on winning a championship. My advice for young kids is always the same. You have to have fun with it. Always practicing on the court. I know practicing is not always fun, but if you love this, you're gonna do it. So always have fun playing basketball or whatever sport you're playing.
Velik aplauz, Luka Doncic!
Da je lahko pomagala s tem. Tukaj sem jaz že igral od 7. leta.
Gospod Čopan.
Žoge nimam, ni žoge me tam, ni žoge.
In pa sreče v karieri.
Hvala gospodu Čopan. 2, 1, juhuhu! Gospod Robert Erjavec.
Ta žoga?
Luka! Evo, začetni pozdravi. Rdeče proti črnim. Punce so sestavljene iz različnih lokalnih klubov. In takole, začeli smo 15 minut čas. Iz porazdalje je padel še en koš. Seveda tukaj Foundationu je, da tale igrišče tukaj tudi obstaja. Ja, tudi mala trema je seveda prisotna.
And head up again, Luka.
Ima te klopi, seveda se zahvaljujemo tudi mestni občini. Gospod Robert Erjavec. Rdeče proti črnim. Ja, to so dekleta, ki imajo to čast, da igra punc v rdečih majicah.
Same zadetke sredine igrišča, zdaj sam trojke.